Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time, I'm so glad you stopped by. Today I will be showing you how I designed a bold and professional IRM flyer on Canva. Firstly, I choose the black Instagram page square size 1080 by 1080 pieces, and I choose the background, the rich purple background from the element. Anytime you want to choose the background, click on the element to choose the background, or you import it from your phone right into the Canva. We have different type of backgrounds that you can choose using the element icon on Canva. And the next, I added the Jumi Olifunke picture facing the screen. I added at the left side of the design. So that one you can choose either from the upload, maybe you've already uploaded it before, or you import the pictures from your gallery into your Canva website. And next, you added the IRM right top. Make sure the font is bold to make it visible for people to see. I use the Archivo black and the font size for IRM and me. And the next one, we add the pointing icon. You can choose that one from the element also. Next, I added the name Jumi Olifunke in an orange color using the poppins font. And the next, I added the title virtual assistant. And lastly, I added the call to action where people can reach Jumi Olifunke as a virtual assistant using the social media icons Jumi Olifunke, and the phone number and the WhatsApp. Put the number on the flyer. At least people should be able to reach you to any type of flyer that you design. And that is all. If you found this helpful, please like the video, drop comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more Canva design tutorials every week. Thank you.